This is my friend and raptor buddy, Tony Starlight. He's got a special song to sing. Band on the Bird. Take it away, Tony.
Where the birds exploded with a mighty flash as they flew up from the sand. And the first one said to the second one there, did you see that band? Band on the bird, band on the bird. Raptor Dan and the singer man are teaching everyone. See the band on the bird, band on the bird, band on the bird, band on the bird. Well, we drove up closer and the flock dispersed as the cameras start to click. We scanned the flock looking for the band so that we could take a pic. Band on the bird, band on the bird. See the band, know the plan, it's good for everyone. See the band on the bird, band on the bird, band on the bird, band on the bird. Well, we took our pictures and we made them big to see what we could find. We got the numbers and we passed them on to the birding band online. Band on the bird, band on the bird. See the band, know the plan, we'll search forevermore for the band on the bird, band on the bird, band on the bird, band on the bird. Band